Hello everyone, I'm Mirchawala, Faculty and Director at Mirchawala Hub of Accountancy. In our today's video, we'll be having a walkthrough of Mirchawala's learning management system, which is a specialized LMS and it makes sure that the student studies his course in a seamless manner. This learning management system is designed in such a manner that students get their course in a well-structured manner. Along with this, it includes a very specialized testing system which replicates the actual exam structure of the ACCA so that the students can understand that how the actual exam paper will look like. In our today's video, we'll be having the walkthrough of learning management system from the very basic, that how you have to log in the LMS and how you have to use different functions. In our today's video, we will be doing a walkthrough of Advanced Audit and Assurance course as a sample. You may be enrolled in some other course also, but while you watch this video, you will be able to understand the functionality of different options we have in our learning management system. Now, as soon as you enroll with us, you get a welcome email or a welcome message from our administration. In that message, you get the installation links for our learning management system. Our learning management system can be used on different Android-based devices, iOS-based devices, and Windows-based devices. You have to make sure that you install the learning management system using the correct link. So you need to read your welcome message and identify the right link based on whatever device you are using. If you are using a Windows-based device, you will be installing the Windows-based learning management system using the link provided, or an Android-based device or an iOS-based device using the relevant link provided. Now, once you have installed the learning management system, you will land on this login screen. On this login screen, you have to log in using your login credentials, which include your user ID and a password that must be provided in the welcome message or the welcome email which has been sent to you through our administration once you have enrolled with us. Now, once you have added your user ID and password, you click on the login and you will see your enrolled courses. Now, you must be enrolled in some other courses also, but in our today's video, as a sample, I'll be giving you a walkthrough of one of my course, which is Advanced Audit and Assurance. So it's not necessary that you are enrolled in AAA, you just need to understand the functionality of the learning management system in my today's video. Now, when we click at the course which we want to study, your respective LMS will get opened. Now, when the LMS get opened, you will have different tabs appearing on the top, which include course lectures, past paper sessions, assignments and homework, mock exams, and course attachment. In whatever course you have enrolled, there can be different tabs also depending on the course structure which your relevant tutor has prepared. But in the today's video, as I told you, my objective is to teach you the functionality of the LMS, so you need to look at how different options work. Now, you can walk through different tabs, like if you click on revision past paper sessions, that tab will open and the lectures within it will start appearing. Similarly, when you click on the mock exams, that particular tab will open and the relevant mock exams of that subject will start appearing. And in the course attachment, you will be finding the different PDFs which your tutor has uploaded in the relevant course. Okay? Now, if we start exploring each of the section in detail, if we click on the course lecture, your teacher must have divided your entire course in different chapters, which is obviously dependent on that particular course specific discussion. Now, if I talk about my Advanced Audit and Assurance course, I've divided it in 10 chapters, and within each chapter, there are lectures and the course PDFs which are available to the students. The lecture can only be watched online, like it only operates when you're online on the LMS, it cannot be downloaded. But when we talk about the PDF, the study material, it can be downloaded and printed by the students so that they can watch the lectures on their ease. Now, if you look at different chapters, like I will look at my second chapter, which is audit planning, there are lectures relating to it, and there are different homework questions which I have provided to my students, which they can attempt on the learning management system and submit me for marking and feedback. If that exam question is an objective question like an MCQ, it will be auto-checked on the LMS, and if it's a subjective based question, it will be submitted on the portal and your tutor then get back to you and give you the feedback. Now, if we click on one lecture so that you can understand that how the LMS works, if we click on the watch, your lecture gets loaded, you click on the play button, and this is how the lecture gets operational. Like the teacher is appearing, your iPad screen is also appearing, in which the teacher writes the lecture, and this is how it works. Now in display, there are different functions which you can use. You can pause and play on your own convenience. You can skip the lecture, like seek forward 10 seconds. You can seek it back 10 seconds on whatever convenience you want to have. Okay, so it gives you good functionality. You can adjust the sound based on your convenience. You can move forward the lecture, like if you have watched the lecture in the previous sitting for like 25-26 minutes, you can forward it. You can use those options also. You can change the lecture to the full screen also if you want to watch the lecture on your convenience. And there are multiple options relating to the speed. Like if someone wants to listen in the fast manner, because our today's generation listens fast, like on the WhatsApp voice notes also, we usually listen at 2x. So if someone wants to listen to the lecture at a faster speed, they can do that also. There are different options, like there's 1x, 1.2x, 1.5x, 1.75x. There are different options so that the student can watch on their own convenience. And if someone wants to listen slowly, there are 0.25x, 0.5x, 0.75x options also. Okay, so you can watch the lectures in this manner. Now, if you want to download the study material like the PDF document, you can click on the View tab here, and that PDF document starts downloading. You can watch it. You can click on the Download tab to download it also. Okay, these PDFs helps the student to listen to the lectures on your convenience. Like many students print these PDFs in advance so that when they are listening to the lecture, they can watch it with more concentration. Okay. Now similarly, if you want, you can click on the testing system also. Like if you click on homework, you can click on the attempt tab, and as soon as you click on the attempt tab, the testing system starts to get loading. Now this testing system is designed in such a manner that it replicates the actual exam structure. Like if I click on the start now, and you just give it some time for loading, it will just show you the actual exam structure as you will be getting in the actual examination. Like if I talk about advanced audit and assurance, there are different exhibits, there are different details which the students get in their actual examination. Okay, you can write on the word processor, you can use the spreadsheet and different tools for answering. And then you can click on submit to review if you have done the exam paper. If it's a subjective question, it will be submitted and the teacher will check it and get back to you. If it's an MCQ based paper like an objective paper, it will be auto checked and you will get your result instantly. Okay, once you are done with it, you click on the next, and once your paper is completed, that's complete, you can end the exam and you click on yes, and that's get done. You complete your actual exam paper. Okay, now so if you want, you can go and review back your exam also. That's also possible. Like if you want to go in back to see your answers, that is also possible. Okay, now if we go back and to our learning management system, that the entire screen view on the testing system. Now if we come back, you can look at the lectures, you download the PDFs, there are revision past paper sessions, there are assignments and homework. You can use all of these tabs, and like at the end of the course, there are mock exams which you can attempt. Obviously, the mock exams help the students to use the learning management system in a better manner, and they can get an idea of the actual exam paper. Now at the end, there is a tab of course attachment also, so that all the PDFs are attached all together. So if you look at the learning management system, it provides you the course in a very well structured manner. You can access the lectures in a seamless manner. You can download the PDFs. You can use the testing system which replicates the actual exam paper. Whatever subject you are studying, you get the actual exam paper format so that the student can get an idea. If you have any query, you can always connect with your tutor directly, and you can raise your queries with your tutor. I hope that this video has given you a good walkthrough of our learning management system, and if you have any query, feel free to contact us on the given numbers, and we are always available to help you. Thank you everyone.